In this video, we're talking about how TSA has major concerns with Clear. But first, if you're somebody that likes to stay in Airbnbs, there's a way that you can get a discounted gift card. Sam's Clubs right now is having $500 gift cards for $460. This offer is only available online and is limited to 2 cards per member. Now, $40 doesn't seem like that big of a discount, but if you're able to use your cards, you can get 3 to 5 times points off on that purchase, or even better, if you have a new credit card, that purchase can go towards your sign-up bonus. This offer ends August 20th, so if you have an Airbnb trip soon, act fast. Frontier offers an all-you-can-fly pass called Go Wild All-You-Can-Fly Pass. Seems really creative. When you have this pass, you can book a domestic flight starting 1 day in advance, and you can also book an international flight 10 days in advance. Well, Frontier just released their fall and winter pass for $299. That's normally $1,000 for that pass. So if you're a spontaneous traveler, this might be a great option for you. If you're not aware, Clear is a private company that provides expedited process through airport security. Clear uses biometrics and iScan that members provide when signing up to verify Clear members. Seems a little big brother to me. Soon, Clear members will now need to have TSA verify their IDs. This completely removes the benefits of the Clear program. This is due to a security incident that happened last summer, which TSA says it raises national security concerns. In July 2022, a man went through Clear's screening at the Washington National Airport. When his bags went through X-ray, it was discovered that he had ammunition. When the police investigated, they discovered that the traveler was using a false identity. This caused TSA to investigate Clear's screening process and discovered that almost 50,000 Clear members were enrolled even though their facial recognition software flagged them as a non-match. Some of the photos captured to identify members didn't even have the member's full face. When this occurs, the Clear employee can manually verify the traveler. We can see that this can lead to human error. Clear says that their system is secure and this was an isolated incident of human error. Clear has even went as far to say that checking their IDs of all Clear travelers will cause total chaos. Yeah, just going through the airport getting your IDs checked is going to be total chaos and pandemonium. Clear has stopped allowing employees to manually verify members due to this system and requires anyone with a questionable picture to be revalidated before using Clear again. Now, Clear, it does seem like it could be a good system verifying identities. Using biometrics can be more accurate way to verify over humans. It seems like the large error in Clear's system was the ability for employees to manually verify members, which to me seems like the biggest risk. Let me know what you think about Clear in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.